Good morning, student. Today we will see the unit 4, that is the estimate of the other structure. Estimate of the other structure, again it will come so pit and culverts and roads. These three structures will be the our fourth unit. First we will see the septic tank estimation. Here they are given the question: prepare the detailed estimate of the septic tank for the 25 users from the given drawings. So this 5 to 6 line, they are given the detailed specification of the particular structure. So if we consider this diagram, here they are given first septic tank and second portion is the soak pit portion. So first portion here is the line plan and section plan is there, and the soak pit also the line plan and section is given. So one by one, we want to derive the quantity. As I discussed earlier, a detailed estimate tablet column we want to draw. That is the item number, particular, and event, breadth, and height, quantity, and remarks or explanatory notes. First, we want to estimate the earthwork in the excavation for both septic tank and soak pit. If we consider the septic tank, first we want to estimate the length. Length means see the length portion, that is the here 200 mm. All the dimensions here is mm. First we want to calculate the length of the septic tank. Here length means first they are given the inside is 200 mm. That is the 200 mm plus 20 plus again 30 plus 40. So 20 plus 10 plus 10. So 40 will be there. Here 40 and here it will be a 40. So totally 280 it will come. So again here 280, that is the 280 mm or 2.80 meter. So similarly we want to calculate the breadth also. Breadth in longitudinal direction, that is the vertical direction. Here 90 mm they are given. So 90, first portion 20. Again from here it is they are given. From here it is they are given 40. So if we neglect those dimensions, here particular alone it is a 20 mm only. Here one 10 mm only. And last block is 10 mm only. Here also totally from here to here it is the 40 mm only. So 90 top portion 40 mm and bottom portion 40 mm. So 90 plus 40 plus 40. So 90 plus 80 it is a 170 mm or 1.7 meter. That only we are mentioned here 1.7 meter. Coming to the height, you want sorry, coming to the height, we want to take the derive the quantity from the section portion. So here it is the ground level. So height will be here 130 plus 140. So totally 170. And here lime concrete portion is there. So plus 20. So 140 plus 30, 170. 70 plus 20, 190. And sloping portion is there. That is the 1:30. So if you consider the height means 140 plus 30, 170. Here one again 20 will be there. So 190 and slope portion also we want to consider. That is 1/20. If you consider 1/20, it will around 0.05. So totally it will come height 1.95. That only they given the explanatory notes, that is 140 plus 30 plus 20 plus 0.5. That is sorry 5. If you add those parameters, it will be around 1.95 meter or 190 mm, 195 mm, sorry. So similarly, we want to go for this top pit portion also. First, we consider the septic tank portion. Next, we want to go for the soak pit portion. The soak pit portion again, we want to derive the quantities in upper portion and lower portion. So if we consider the upper portion, that is 3 meter, that is 250 mm plus top 50 mm. So totally it will be 300 mm. That also it may be called as 3 meter. And bottom portion is 20 mm. Okay. So for top portion we want to calculate the quantities, and for bottom portion also we want to calculate the quantities. If we extend total diameter, if we consider the total diameter, it is 100, here 120, 115, 120. So total it will be around 30 centimeter, 30. Here around will be a 30. So 30 plus 20, 50. Here 20, here 15, again 15. So here 50 will be there. There upper portion 50 and bottom portion 50. Totally 200 centimeter will be there. That only we are putting here 2 meter. So if you consider for the circular portion, it is area is pi by 4 d square. So diameter is around 2 meter there. So we are considering the 2 meter, and height we are calculating for 3 meter. That only we mentioned 3 here. Again, lower portion is 1.4 meter only. So this 100 plus this 20 and this 20 only for the lower portion. If we extend those portion, it will comes around here only. So your lower portion diameter is only the 1.4 meter only, sorry. And again, the lower portion depth is 0.2 meter. So as I said earlier, you want to multiply the number into length into breadth into height. We will derive the quantities. Similarly for the cement concrete also we want to derive the quantity. It is only for the septic tank portion alone. Septic tank means here lime concrete is in the bottom portion only. So 20 centimeter only they are given. So length and breadth will be there similar to the earthwork only. So same 2.80 we can take, and same 1.7 meter we can take. Only the height will be different, because here in the section part they are given the height will be for the line concrete is only 20 centimeter. Similarly for the sloping floor alone we want to calculate. Sloping floor means inside. So inside it is here only, it is a sloping portion is there. So inside portion alone we are considered that is 200 centimeter cross 90 centimeter. And if your height, if we consider means again this 1 by 20. So 0.005. So if we calculate all those parameters, that is 1 into 2.80 into 1.7 into 0.2 into, it will be around 0.95. And for sloping floor also, if we calculate it, you will get the 0.09. And total if we add it means it will come around 1.04 cubic meter. And next third parameter is the first class brickwork. Here also you can consider the long wall, again short wall. If we go for this diagram, here the brickwork is considered in two stages. That is the first stage is here and second stage here. So if we extend those line to the plan means, so first step is here only. So 200 plus here 120, 130 will be the 110 centimeter is there. So from left side and right side all together we will get the 2.6 meter or 260 mm the first layer length. Similarly for the second layer we will get here. So 200 from right side 20, from left side 20, you will get the length portion alone 240 mm or 2.4 meter mm. That one it will be come here. See, long ball it is a 2.6 and second step will be 2.4, and breadth height they are given in the section itself. So first layer they are given 30 and second layer they are given the 20, and height also they are given the for 60, and this portion they are given the 40. 60 they are given, and 1.15 is we want to add all dimension and we want to neglect these dimensions, we will get the 1.15. So similarly, if we take for the short bus, there are two numbers in first step and two numbers in second step, and only inner dimension we will consider, that is 0.9 or zero point 0.9 meter only. So the same dimension will come, and if we calculate all those things, we will get the 0.32 cubic meter. Likewise, for second step, if we add those all the four parameters, you will get the first class brickwork, that is around 2.78 cubic meter. Similarly, we want to calculate the second class brickwork for the soap pit upper portion and lower portion, that is only the circumference we want to calculate, that's pi into r. Same dimensions will be given in the section portion. So if we estimate all those things, you will get the total portion of the your second class brickwork. So next parameter we will see in the next class. Thank you, students.